And we are in front of an interesting 4-transit trail Pilote half integrated A656D 60 years edition. Let's check the actual specs. It starts with the price of 72,500 euros. And these are actual specs with this model costing 85,390 euros. And now we shall be entering inside to check the actual interior of this 4-transit camper. It's an automatic, and we can see already we have a nice wide sitting area with a foldable table, and we have a drop down bed that can actually maybe sleep 2 people right up there. And then we have an additional cupboard right there with the Dometic 2-burner stove and sink, nice size. Under it we have 4 large bins for all your kitchenware, and from this side the Dometic 2-sided fridge. Not bad and not small. And on the back side you would expect a bed, but this is actually all storage unit with a large shower unit and actually more storage from this side. Nice styling for this. And then we have the actual bathroom with the Dometic cassette toilet. Nice big spacious cupboard. And going out, sorry, thank you. And going out, we can also check the actual garage, and I will be measuring it so you can have a clear understanding on the actual size. It's 2 meter 127, and for the actual widest part it's 1 meter. Not bad. And let's have a look from the back.